Hi, and thanks for tuning in to our video on PRIMA Drywall, where we will walk you through the steps for proper installation, preparation, application and finishing. Just follow these 4 steps. Step 1. Preparation. Make sure you have everything required for installation. These are the following items. Step 2. Wall installation. Ensure floor is reasonably flat and level. This is done by making a straight line in order to level the stud. Pre-drill to insert anchorage in a zigzag formation. Top and bottom tracks are to be anchored to the floor slab at a maximum spacing of 610mm centers. Nogging is then done in between the studs at vertical height of 1220mm centers to strengthen it. Install PRIMA liner boards, which have been recessed at the edges against the wall stud. Insulation wool is then placed against the PRIMA liner board, followed by the second lining board. Screws are then inserted into the board against the structure. The drywall is then ready for the installation of door frames and window frames. Step 3. Flush jointing. Flush jointing is basically the method of joining 2 boards where a groove is made along the joining points of the boards, and then the boards and subsequent grooves are joined and then sealed. This is done by applying joint compound along the groove, followed by a fiber mesh tape. Another layer of joint compound is then applied on the fiber mesh tape. In the meantime, joint compound is also applied on the surface of the screws on the board. Step 4. Wall finishing. Paint is applied on the wall, and there you have it, the completed drywall on the door frame and window frame. Tiles can also be fixed onto the board as a finishing touch. For more information and tips on PRIMA Drywall, do check us out at primafibrecement.com.